Yeah, that's it, demo. Oh, kaba. Awesome, isn't it? Yeah, put it down. So I can, yeah. Oh, look at that.
It's kind of.
Yeah, nice. Wait, put it down, so I don't get anyone's faces. Beautiful. Well done, Amina. You can lift, yeah, put it now. Remember to hold it down. Okay, yes, put it there. And then take your white, give me that. Take your white fabric and take your print. Yay!
Can I take this off?
Beautiful. Thank you. Let's put it up.
Fabric and paper.
The fabric, or the printed ones.
Is this
Any?
the paper that we roll on?
Yeah, yeah. Come on, Ollie.
No.
Is that your paper? Yeah, perfect. Wow, look at that. Are you happy with your collages? Yeah, that looks good, yeah. That's excellent. Use the pins just to hold them down. See?
Underneath, careful.
Is it hard?
From under, yeah, where you want to go. On the opposite side, yeah? There? No. Not the closer.
Excellent. You always be mindful of where you are putting the needle.
Do you want to, now you can put your next one where you want
You're doing better now,
to put it in.
why don't you?
I'm not gonna do it that way.
Watch out, don't pull it all out. Don't pull it all out.
As you got onto me like this, you don't bring a note for Rina. So I'm like, everyone who I want to bring is in a football team. I give them leaflets. They don't come. Only person who really.